Hi everyone, welcome back to Rani Devara English Literature. So hereafter we are going to discuss grammar part, so which is very necessary to speak in English for the beginners and which is most important in competitive exams. So before going to see that, let me tell you today's quotation as usual. So defeat is the pillar of success. So when you defeat, you will learn a lesson. So if you get succeed, you will be role model to someone. So that how the foundation is important to a building, and how the pillar is important to a shelter, as well as defeat is that much of important to success. So that always try to do something and don't be afraid of defeat. Okay, so here coming to grammar part. So before going to discuss grammar parts, all those all the topics, and before going to discuss all the topics, so let me tell you what is a language and what is a word, what is a sentence, and what is a number, what is a gender, and what is phrase, what is case. All those things we have to know before going to discuss grammar part. So here first of all, language. So what is a language? So language is nothing but what is language? So language is nothing but it's a way to convey our feelings. It's a tool of communication. So it is used to convey our feelings to the others. So that is called language. And the second one, word. So word is nothing but group of letters, but it should be contained meaning. It's a group of letters, but it should be contained meaning. So example, group of letters, it should be contained meaning. For example, A, B, C, D. So it is also group of letters, but it is not a word. So here it should be contained a meaning. So then only it will be called as a word. So here examples: car, table. So all those things. So group of letters. Say group of letters is called word. So as well as sentence. So sentence is nothing but group of words. It is also should be contained meaning. So then only it is called as a sentence. So here there are 5 types of sentence. One is assertive sentence, and next one is interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, exclamatory sentence, and optative sentence. Last one is optative sentence, but this last one, fifth one, is not in usage today. So that four are there in usage. So one is assertive sentence. Second one. So one is assertive sentence. So one by one I'll explain. So if you wanna write, you can pause and write. So this material I'll provide soon. So simply I'm telling here. So assertive sentence. One is assertive sentence. So assertive sentence, it declares an information. It declares information. It declares information. It is mainly starts with subject. It mainly starts with subject and ends with full stop. mainly starts with subject and ends with full stop. Starts with subject and ends with a full stop. So assertive sentence, it declares an information, or it declares something is known as assertive sentence. So assertive sentence starts with the subject and ends with full stop. So example we can say here, example, Ramu studies well. So Ramu studies well. So Ramu studies well. This is the assertive sentence example. So Ramu is subject, so that it is started with subject and ends with full stop. So it's an information. Ramu studies well. So it's an information. So that Ramu this is subject and it ends with full stop. So that it is called assertive sentence. Assertive sentence. And next one, interrogative sentence. So it asks a question. It asks a question. It is mainly followed by question mark. It is mainly followed by question mark. So example we can say that, how are you? So question mark is compulsory for this sentence. So interrogative sentence, how are you and where are you going, what are you doing, and how else, what else, all those things, all the questions will be added in interrogative sentence. And next one, imperative sentence. Next one, imperative sentence. It asks a question. Sorry, it expresses commands, requests, orders, suggestions, and advices. So all those things. Imperative sentence. So imperative sentence. Examples. Open the door. Open the door, it's an order. And consult a doctor. Consult a doctor. And so such, may I have your attention please, it's a request. So all those things are added in imperative sentence. It's imperative sentence. And next one, fourth one, exclamatory sentence. So fourth one, exclamatory sentence. It expresses sudden feelings or emotions. So example, oh my god. So these two are equal. So it is followed by exclamatory mark. Oh my god, hooray, amazing, wonderful, what a beautiful garden. So all those things will be added in exclamatory sentence. And last one, optative sentence, but it is not in usage, so I'm telling you to know, that's it. Optative sentence. So it expresses wishes. Good morning. expresses wishes, good morning, and next God bless you, God bless you. So examples, so it expresses wishes, so good morning, God bless you, all those things. Wishes. So these are all over so for sentences. So there are sentence is nothing but a group of words. So there are 5 kinds of sentences. One is assertive sentence, and second one is interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, exclamatory sentence, and optative sentence, last one, but this is not in usage. Okay, so with examples I illustrated. So next one, number. So next one, number. This is not mathematical number. So here number means there are 2 types. There are 2 types in number. So one is singular number, second one plural number. So one is singular number and second one plural number. So I hope you know singular is nothing but unique, and plural, so 2 or more than 2. So this is number. And last one, gender. So gender, so it describes whether the noun is male or female. It describes whether the noun is male or female. So there are 4 types in gender. One is masculine gender, and second one is feminine gender, common gender, neuter gender. So masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender, neuter gender. So first one, masculine gender. Masculine gender, it describes men, especially men. It describes men. It describes men. So example, actor, writer, so all those things. So actor, writer. So masculine gender, it describes men. So examples, actor, writer. And second one, feminine gender. So it describes women. Examples, songstress. So songster is belongs to masculine gender, songster female singer and songstress male singer. So this is masculine gender. And next, actress, waitress, all those things, so will be added in feminine gender. So next, common gender. So common gender describes either men or woman. So it describes with either men or women. So example, teacher, doctor. So we can call as a teacher if he is a male or if she is a female. So we can call as a teacher. So doctor also same. So that this is called common gender. This is called common gender. And the last one, neuter gender. Last one is neuter gender. So neuter gender describes neither men nor women. So neuter gender describes neither men nor women. So here we can say things names here as an examples. So table, chair, next pen, all those things. So all those things are called neuter gender. So this is called neuter gender. So so today we have learnt what is language, word, sentence and its types, and next number, and last one gender and its types. Okay, so tomorrow in the next video, next case, phrase and all those things will be taught. So here over so far for today's class. We'll meet you with another useful video. So until then, keep watching, keep practicing and keep learning always, so that so if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.